Hi, this is Patty from Sleepy Glen Farms. I am coming to you from the barn this time. We have a lot of chickens, we have a lot of roosters, and we need to get rid of some of the roosters. I just am so attached to them that I hate thinking about it. But we have baby chickens and baby chickens, but not so much baby fresh out of the egg chickens anymore. We have a pen over here with Junior. Say hello, Junior. With Junior and one of his girls. And we have another hen inside of here. She's been sitting on eggs for about 2.5 weeks now, so I think we're gonna give her a little bit more time. She's been sitting there pretty quietly, so maybe she's got some babies she's gonna hatch out for us, and we're gonna let her take care of them. I'm tired of babysitting. Here's my boys. That one is Marshall. That one is Rue. That one is Rudy Roo. This one here is Marshall. He's being camera shy. And here's all of our laying chickens. We've got about, I'm gonna say 25 laying chickens right now. And they are very vocal. They're good girls. I just put some hay in there for them to play around because they get bored and then they start attacking each other. So I like to keep the girls busy. I like to give them treats. And yeah. So I'm gonna go in the other cage where all the babies are at. Oh, hi, honey. Come here. Come here, love. Hi, girls. Do you want to say hi to everybody? Hello. Come here. There's something going on in the coop. So I'm going to go in there and see what's happening. Maybe someone's laying an egg. Hey, ladies. Hi, ladies. What do we got going on here? Okay, we still got a mama sitting in here. She hasn't left those eggs. I'm going to let her sit for a little while longer. Otherwise, I am collecting eggs. And my girl's laid an egg for me. Yes, what's the matter? She was one of our babies from last year. Oh look. I've got a couple more eggs. Check that out. I got 3 more eggs. I already collected. I collected this one egg this morning, and I'm telling you, hi honey, what you doing in there? Taking a rest? Hi baby girl. What? They love talking. Come here, say hello to everybody. Come on. Say hello. There's my girl. Hi, honey. I think she wants to lay an egg. This one here. She just keeps talking. Or she wants the other one to get off those eggs so she can sit on them, but we're not going to let that happen. Anyways, I'm going to show you an egg that I collected this morning. It was crazy. I couldn't even fit it inside of an egg carton. It was so big. So, I'm gonna put these eggs away first. I've got an egg carton going on here. Okay. Now, check out this egg. See that? This egg versus those eggs. Whoops, pointing side up. It looks like an ostrich egg. Oh my gosh. I can't even close the egg carton. It's so big. So this one here, we're gonna eat. Anyways, here's the pen where the babies are at. We've got 2 sets of babies in here. We've got these babies. There's 10 of them. And then we got those babies who were just in the house, and I brought them all out today because not saying that their pen was too small, but they needed to get outside and I needed to get them outside, if you know what I mean. This one here right up in front, that's Nugget. She is so friendly, just a friendly girl. She loves to be held. She loves kisses. I think this guy here on the right side there, I think that's going to be a boy. Look at those I forget what you call them now. So here's our babies, and we've enjoyed raising all of these. We didn't raise any of these in the incubator, or hatch them out in the incubator, I should say. When I would come home from work, or Cody would come home from school, we would check the nests, and if we heard babies and they were already fluffed out, then we would bring them in the house. And the reason why we did that is because the nesting boxes are so high up on the wall that once the babies jump out, they're not going to get back in. And we have chicken snakes around here, and we have mice. I call them rats because I think they're kind of big. So we take them in the house and keep them warm. And so all these chickens were hatched out by their mamas, and we waited till they were fluffed out and then brought them in the house. So this is the first group of 10. Oh, we got one more over here. And they all have the same daddy, but different mamas, obviously. Come on over here, join the picture. Come on. Come on, there we go. There's all 10. So it's exciting to see all these little guys grow up. I'm thinking we might have 2 that might be boys, but I think the majority of them are girls. So out of the 22 babies that we had, I'm pretty sure that we might have got 4 boys out of it, which when they get a little bit bigger, I think I'm going to sell them as a starter pair. Have a boy and a girl, so people can get their flock started. So for an extra treat for my chickens, I like to give them fresh cut grass. So Keith got me an electric mower and with a grass catcher. So I'm gonna do a couple of swipes out here and give the birds some fresh greens. That is a workout. Oh my goodness. Ladies, if you need to take care of that button vise, mow. It's the workout. All right, let's get these chickens fed. All right, let's see what we got for everybody. Greens for the birds. So I'm going to give the boys then I'm going to give Junior and his girls some. Oh yeah, the mama, she's in there eating it up. Let's give some to the other birds. Oh, it looks like they're hungry. I'm just gonna take the whole thing in and hopefully they'll leave me alone. Come on, ladies. Come on, ladies. Let's go. Ladies. No escapes. Now those are some happy chickens. They love their greens. Even the babies. Check them out. And I gave some to the other babies too. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah. It's been a good day out here, Sleepy Glen. Don't forget, like and subscribe our videos. Don't forget to hit like and hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell so that you get notifications when we post other videos. All right, we'll see you next time. Take care. People, we have a baby. We have a baby, and it's so new. Oh, I can't believe it. I'm so excited. I didn't think this mama was gonna hatch anything out, but she did. I wonder how many she has in there. Look at this poor little guy. Oh, she's stepping all over it. Oh no, mama, no, we don't step on babies. Look at how little. Look at precious baby. And okay. Just checking. That's the only baby we have, so I'm gonna take this one in the house. Everybody's having a fit. She's a new mother, so I don't think she knows what to do. She's looking for the baby right now, but I'm gonna take it in the house and put it in the aquarium that has a light. No, I think I'm gonna put it in the horse trough. Thank goodness we haven't brought it out yet. But isn't that just a sweet little baby? Sweet, sweet little baby. I am so excited. Here we go again. Round 3. Take care.